say, if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not, if you watch the video and you like, consider to subscribe to my channel. Today guys, I will be making some black bean rice and I want to share it with you. So guys, this is everything that I'm going to use to make my black bean rice, guys. Okay, I'm going to use 2 cans of black beans. Okay, you can use any brand you want, guys. I'm going to use 2 cups of rice. I'm going to use some salt and I'm going to use some butter. Alright? Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, so this is my 2 cups of rice. Okay, I'm going to wash my rice. But guys, if you want to use 1 can of black beans, you can go ahead and use 1 can, but for me, I want to use 2 cans. Okay? So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to finish wash this and then throw my bean. Now you can put some water in it, guys. Okay. So guys, when you're cooking rice, because I already have this on my channel already, but I want to show you now because I'm making the black bean rice. When you're cooking rice, guys, you want, if you're going to cook 1 cup of rice, you want to put 2 cups of water. And if you're going to cook 2 cups of rice, you need 4 cups of water. Okay? Alright, I just wanted to know that. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my black bean in. That's 1 can. And another can. Okay? Alright, now guys, I'm going to put some salt. Just be careful with the salt because the black bean, sometimes some of them, I never used this brand before, but sometimes some black bean have salt already in it. But this brand is the the Happy Bell brand black bean. So you definitely want to be careful with the salt, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to use maybe a ½ teaspoon of salt. So just be careful with your salt because we're going to put butter too. Okay, so I'm going to put my butter now. So just 1 big spoon of butter just for the flavor. Okay. Here's the rice, guys. It's finished. I just removed the lid, guys. It's been cooking for around 15 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm gonna dish it, guys. Okay.